MLB Prize Picks for Friday, June 7th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. I got 5 plays for you. Gonna try and win 10x. Let's hit the intro. Let's go to work. All right, this is the DFS Army Prop Optimizer, compares prize pick lines, sportsbook odds, and our projection model to help you find plus EV plays. Also, you can filter this tons of different ways. Going to try something a little bit different today. We're going to just focus on strikeouts. Pull open the filters. I want batting strikeouts. I want pitching strikeouts. I get those specific plays, and we're going to start with Cole Irvin, less than 4.5 strikeouts. Projection model has it under 4.18. It's lined at minus 138 over on FanDuel. You can see his most recent starts over the last 8 starts for Irvin. He is 5-3 going under this mark, and he's got back-to-back starts here against Tampa Bay. Last time out against Tampa, just a week ago, actually just 5 days ago, he only got 1 strikeout. And as hitters see pitchers more, they generally strike out less, and they only struck out once last time out. Tampa Bay usually is a little bit higher of a strikeout team, 8th in the league right now in terms of number of strikeouts. But again, you got Vegas pointing this way, projections pointing this way just last time out. They saw him pretty well. We're going to go Cole Irvin, less than 4.5 strikeouts as play number 1. We head on over to Prize Picks. Cole Irvin, less than 4.5 strikeouts. That is play number 1. I got 4 more plays on tap. Before we do that, do me a favor. Links are down below. Join DFS Army. Get access to that tool. More picks and plays in Discord. Tons of things going on there. Make sure you check it out. Sniper 20 for 20% off, or you get 2 free months. Also, links down below. Make sure you're on Prize Picks, Underdog, Sleeper. Get a 100% deposit match up to $100 and 2 free months, or $500 deposit match if you deposit on Sleeper. Go and check that out. Play number 2. Wyatt Langford, more than 0.5 strikeouts. Obviously going to the hitting side this time. Projection model, 0.85. BetMGM, minus 130. And he struck out 4 of the last 5 games. All the data is right here for you. It's why it's a strong tool. Odds, solid projection model. Recent form that people like to toggle through. Last 10 games, it dips to 5-5. You can go back as far as you want. Striking out more as of late. And just people, you toggle through this stuff on Prize Picks all day. Instead, it's all right here in one place. Wyatt Langford, more than 0.5 batting strikeouts. It's a little bit rare to get a hitting strikeout play as with the fire symbol here on Prize Picks. That makes me feel pretty good. We're in the right direction. People are targeting this play. Usually, you don't see a lot like that. If you go to the popular plays, it's mostly pitching strikeouts, hitter fantasy score. Got a hitting strikeout number there. Back to the Proptimizer. Going to stay with the batting strikeouts. Dylan Carlson, more than 0.5 batting strikeouts. Also minus 130 odds, 0.59 of the projection model. And he's struck out 3 of the last 5 games. Putting them together really simply today, focusing on the strikeouts, focusing on the tool. Back to Prize Picks, nice and easy. Can we get another hitting strikeout play here with a fire symbol? We cannot, but we'll still take Dylan Carlson, more than 0.5 on the strikeouts. Back to the filter tool, the next play that I am targeting, it's Griffin Canning, less than 4.5 strikeouts. Back to the pitching strikeouts here. You can toggle as far back as you want. Projection model 4.14. Line anywhere between minus 120 and minus 130 at the sportsbook. As you see, this tool is updated live through the day. I'm going to make sure the plays I had picked out didn't bounce around too much, but another benefit, all the data comes in live through the day. You go to Canning's last, it looks like this is actually his last 11 starts, and he is 7-4 going under this number in the last 11 starts. Back to the tab we had open with the strikeouts. Houston, all the way down to the bottom, fewest strikeouts in the league so far this season. So Canning is facing Houston, team that strikes out very little. Projection is low. Form is good. Odds are there. Checking all the boxes here on a Friday morning. This one also on the lower end of a popular play here, but people are targeting Griffin Canning. So will we. And now we need one more play to round out our 10x shot here this morning. And I think maybe play got bumped around. So now, oh, there we go. Jurickson Profar, more than 0.5 hitter strikeouts. Lowest odds on the board, but again, I like when the odds in our projection model match. You can go in, you can look for your own plays. I will say this little disclaimer, probably my least favorite play on the board, which means he'll strike out 3 times. And the way we've been running on YouTube, maybe this is the one you want to lock in. It's been a good thing for the Discord. I appreciate everybody who's watching the YouTubes following along. I know we've been cold, but we will heat back up. We've been through the down stretches before, so I want to say thank you to you guys who watch these videos. Profar more than 0.5 strikeouts. Projection models 0.67, and he's been over 3 of the last 5 games. Back on over to Prize Picks. Let's round out the play here with Profar. Friday, June 7th. Hit the like button. Here's your 5 plays. Cole Irvin, less than 4.5 strikeouts. Wyatt Langford, more than 0.5 hitting strikeouts. Dylan Carlson, more than 0.5 hitting strikeouts. Griffin Canning, less than 4.5 strikeouts. And Jurickson Profar, more than 0.5 hitting strikeouts. Lock that in. That's what we got for you guys today. If you didn't already, hit the like button. Tomorrow will be an MMA video, more than likely. Make sure the board is good. If the board ends up being terrible for MMA, we'll probably switch over back to MLB. But for now, guys, here's your daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.